Gyan Sagar Educational Group presents eSchool.
Hello children, today we are going to start 3-letter words. Okay, tell me, which letter is this? Yes, letter A. But do you know what is the sound of letter A? A का sound क्या है? क्या आपको पता है? Yes, the sound of letter A is A. A. What is the sound of letter A? A. A. So let's start 3-letter words. B-A-T, bat. कैसे पढ़ेंगे हम इसे? B-A-T, bat. B-A-T, bat. B-A-T, bat. Next is C-A-T, cat. C-A-T, cat. C-A-T, cat. C-A-T, cat. Next is R-A-T, rat. R-A-T, rat. R-A-T, rat. R-A-T, rat. Next is C-A-N, can. C-A-N, can. C-A-N, can. C-A-N, can. Next is V-A-N, van. V-A-N, van. V-A-N, van. V-A-N, van. Next is F-A-N, fan. F-A-N, fan. F-A-N, fan. F-A-N, fan.